Hello everyone, this is Manas Tripathi here. Today we'll see how to install Docker on a CentOS 7 machine. So what you have to do is you have to first install the prerequisites like yum utils and LVM2 and device map persist and data packages. So once you install these three packages dependencies, then we can go ahead and install. We can go ahead and add our repo, a repo for Docker Community Edition. So you can see you can use a yum config manager add repo and then give uh, HTTPS address of this docker c dot repo, and that will add a repo to your em.repos.d folder. And once that has been added, you can now install docker c using yum install docker c and docker c CLI and containerd.io. And once this is installed, your docker is installed. So what you have to do is if you want to start the docker after the reboot, then you have to uh, do a systemctl enable docker. So and then we can start the docker service like systemctl start docker, which will or start your docker service, and we can test it by pulling up hello world application in docker. So what you can do is docker run hello world. It will it will show that hello from docker, and your docker installation is working successfully. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel. Thanks.